how to return items to Target without a receipt. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can return items to Target without a receipt. Well, you can return items to Target without a receipt for store credit or a merchandise return card, usually for the item's current selling price, by using the Target app for digital lookups or providing a valid ID for limits. Now, if you're using the app, open up Target and check the wallet section for digital receipts or barcode. If you used a link payment method or Target Circle, this is the easiest way to find your purchase and get a refund to the original payment method. Now, however, if you do not have receipt, then if no digital proof exists, you'll likely receive a merchandise return card from the store. So you'll have to visit the store and to the person there, to the staff available there, make sure to bring a valid ID and proof as well and the item, and you should be able to get help. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.